Hello, Tansy, Anine, hello. This is Miss Arnaud, grade 9 teacher at Children of the Earth High School, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how students can check their Winnipeg School Division email while classes are suspended. So all students have to do is log on to the Winnipeg School Division website, which is www.winnipegsd.ca. When you come up to the web page, the front page of their site, you are going to have a whole bunch of links here. You are going to go to where it says students, and then you're going to go to student email. A new page is going to come up, and you're going to see this login. And all students have to do is put their login information up here and their password, which is their student number. It is the same way that students, when they're at school, log into the Chromebooks. So all they have to put here is their login information, and then their password is their student number. Students that use Chromebook have this information, so they are very well versed on how to log in. If you are unsure of how to get that information, please contact us through email. So I'm going to take you to the Children of the Earth website now, where you can find all of that information. If you're unsure how to get to the Children of the Earth webpage from the Winnipeg School Division site on how to contact the teachers at the school, this is how you do it. You go back to the Winnipeg School Division website, which is www.winnipegsd.ca. You just hover on our schools. Don't click it, because if you click it, it will take you to another page. Go to School Directory A to Z, and then click on C. Now, unfortunately, it comes down a little further than it should. Just scroll up, and we are right here. And then you're going to go to where it says Community and Families, and click on Newsletters. Here we have information that is available to you to find out information, a letter to parents that includes teacher contacts and tips, and some digital resources for families if you want students to keep active during this time, and then also some information on the COVID-19 virus. All you have to do is come to the Community and Family page, Newsletters, and then click on the link. A PDF will open in a brand new page, and then you can find the contact information for the student's teacher, and then you can contact them that way to get their username and password if they don't have it or if they've forgotten. Just to recap, to access student email, you go to the Winnipeg School Division website, hover on students, click student email. You'll be brought to a new screen. Enter their information that includes the @ symbol, and then their password is their student number. And it is just like logging on to a Chromebook. Some teachers have already sent out emails to their students discussing how to access Google Classroom, and then also any other important information that they need to pass along. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you would like to know how to log on to Google Classroom for the Winnipeg School Division portal, please check out the video, and I will link it down below so that you can see how to access Google Classroom from the Winnipeg School Division website.